What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. So today we got the first mod going on the 335. A lot of you guys have been asking me when the mods are coming out, when am I gonna do the mod. You know how many questions I've gotten? I've gotten so many. Anyway, got the first mod right here, guys. Can you guys guess what it is from right here? Probably not, but by the title of this video, you guys will probably know. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick, show you guys what we got. Alright guys, so we just unboxed it. It actually took quite a bit of time, but anyway, if you guys haven't guessed it by now, it is the side skirts. So interestingly enough, I decided to go with M3 side skirts. I really like the look of the M3 side skirts compared to the M Sport side skirts. I will give you guys a hint. I did not get M3 style bumpers. So I will tell you guys that much. I did not get M3 style bumpers, but I did get M3 style side skirts. I just think they looked more aggressive than the M Sport and any other ones that there were. So that's why I went with the M3 style. I mean, look how crazy this is. Like, I don't know if you guys can catch it on camera, but look at that concave. Like, that's crazy. Compared to stock, stock literally has nothing. So like right over here, literally nothing. Oh, that's a good angle right there. And then compared to this, like look at that, that's crazy. That's why I went with the M3 style ones. I really liked how like aggressive they looked for like the side skirts. Anyway, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my car. My car's really dirty right now. I don't know if you guys can see all these hard spots, hard water spots. Oh yeah, you can definitely see that. I accidentally parked where I shouldn't have yesterday, so I'm paying the price for it. I parked on the driveway instead of on the street, and now I have water spots. So I gotta clean off the water spots. And I just wanna make sure everything's clean before I take off anything, you know. It makes it easier to clean when it's on the car than off the car. That's why I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it real quick. I probably won't record too much of it because I've gotten a lot of comments saying, you wash your car too much. I'm like, I like my car clean, guys. I like my cars clean, okay? I clean it pretty much once a week, if not more. I try to clean it more. I like to keep my cars clean, guys. So I think what I might do, I might clean the exterior, clean a little bit of the interior, and then we'll go ahead and install the side skirts. Actually, what I did was I washed the car, I cleaned the wheels really thoroughly again. What I've been doing recently is I've been using some wheel cleaner to clean the wheels at the end after I wash the car, and then I'll put a little bit of tire shine on the tires, just a little bit, let it sit on there for like 10, 15, 20 seconds maybe, and then I'll wipe it off real quick. I don't like really heavy tire shine. I do like the tires to be looking new, and a good way of doing that is by putting a little bit of tire shine, nothing crazy, and it makes the tires look really new. I don't know if you guys can tell from over here, but with just a little bit of tire shine, the tires look way better. They don't get that like weird, I don't like it's like a matte finish. It's kind of like a weird thing. I don't know how to explain it, but with a tiny bit of tire shine, it gives it a little bit of a gloss and makes it look like brand new. So I've been doing that recently with the tires to make it look like new. That's a little bit of a tip if you guys want to try that sometime. That's what I do. Anyway, I think it's time for some mods. So let's go ahead and install some mods. About to move out Nora's car and then pull my car in.
Flat, so careful.
One of these tires are flat, okay.
Let me hit this one. Nope.
That one, it's that one. This front one's flat, oh God.
Dude, look at the fitment. This is also aired up all the way.
It's aired up all the way.
If you get one bump, you can be like, it's gonna
be
so uncomfortable. These are 20s, right?
These are like 20s, yeah. Let's go ahead and move it out. This thing hasn't been started in forever, I bet, huh?
Yeah, no, first startup.
First startup in what, like 2 weeks, if it even starts? Let's see if it starts. Dang, the steering wheel though. Nice! Ah! It's rubbing. Am I good? Alright. The steering wheel, oh my goodness.
Oh, I haven't heard my car in some time. You want to give me a few revs? You want to do it? Oh, that blow up valve. I forgot about that.
It's on Sport Plus. Dude, that flutter.
Alright, send it.
That's good enough. Let's go ahead, pull my car in, get these side skirts on. All right guys, time to take off these stock side skirts, put put on these M3 style ones. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the floor jack the car up on the side. I think underneath the actual side skirts are like the screws. Alright guys, so we just cut off the side skirt. It was actually pretty easy, so pretty much, I think it was a T25 for these. Just like a few of them underneath. It's pretty self-explanatory when you take it off. And then it's just like held on by tabs, so you just pull out and it comes off pretty easily. Here is the OEM side skirt, and this one actually had a big scratch on it. Let's go ahead and put on the M3 style one now. Alright guys, we just put on the side skirts. Oh my goodness, I think this looks really, really good. I like the M3 style ones. They're like really aggressive in the back. The M Sport ones are still a little bit more aggressive. Not really aggressive, it's like a little curve. Actually, I think it's on your car, right? You have the M Sport?
Mine's M Sport.
I'll show you guys the M Sport so you know what it looks like. Obviously it's a 4 Series, so it's gonna be a tiny bit different. But as you can tell, right down here, it like curves from over here all the way down. On the M3 ones, it stays at the top and like it's really aggressive at the back. I think it looks really good, just so you guys can see again. Yeah, so I got these from eBay, and I don't know if you can tell right here, but they're kind of like loose in the back. The front has a lot better fitment, but the back is still kind of like,
it has like a little gap.
Yeah, like it has a little bit of a gap. I know from Keys Motorsports, those ones fit like practically perfect. Obviously, they're a little bit more expensive. These were like, I think like 80 bucks actually. I think they're like 85,
80 bucks?
80, 85 bucks. I think I'm gonna double check.
It's not bad for the money, but
It's not bad for the money, but obviously there's better quality out there. Just like a quick one is Keys Motorsports on that car. The fitment is like insane on that one. Yeah, just know that these are the eBay ones. Like 85 bucks, I think. Pretty affordable, but also in the back, it's a little bit off on the fitment. So if you guys do want to get these, just know that that's the situation back there. If you want the best fitment possible, a good one is Keys Motorsports. It does actually fit like really good. Like the black side skirts look really good with like the champagne color.
I really kind of like the paint.
The paint is actually, it's like a classy color. I don't remember the actual name. I kind of want to check what the actual like paint code is. Orion Silver.
Oh, it's silver?
Orion Silver. I didn't know it was Orion Silver. Huh. It says right there, Orion Silver. That's pretty cool. So it's not even champagne, it's Orion Silver. I was wondering because it kind of like, it looks like silver, but like a goldish silver. It's not truly champagne. Champagne's actually a little bit darker now that I think about it. So that's kind of cool.
That's champagne to me, bro.
It looks like champagne, obviously, yeah. But I don't think they purposely called it champagne, maybe. Orion Silver. They're trying to be fancy out here, BMW. Orion. Here's how they look on this car. It actually does look really good, though. Just black, but obviously I'm gonna wrap the car, so once it's wrapped, it's gonna look really sick. All right guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram. I'll throw it up right over here. Also guys, I did actually drop a shop selling decals right now, custom decals. So like if you guys want Instagram, like Instagram handle decal, I have those I can make. I also have like smaller decals. So if you guys wanna support the channel, definitely go check out the shop down below. But without further ado, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that BMW, and I will catch you guys later.